So here we are told that if n to the power 4 is equals to 64 and n is a real number, what is the least possible value of n to the power 3? Then we have to express our answer in the in simplest radical form. So you have to take note that you are looking for the least possible value of n to the power 3, as well as we have to express our answer in simplest radical form. So this is a very simple question. So here's how you proceed. So you are told, or you are given that n to the power 4 is equals to 64. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to express 64 in simplest form. So I'm going to say 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6, meaning if I write n from that, my n is just going to be equals to plus or minus the fourth root. Okay, the fourth root of 64. Okay, so this will be equals to plus or minus, I'll say the fourth root of, instead of 64 I'm going to put 2 to the power 6. Okay, so our n here is just equals to plus or minus, I'll say open bracket, 2 to the power 6 over 4. So we know to say we can actually break this down, the index or the exponent. So 2 into 6 is a 3. Okay, 2 into 4 is a 2, like that. Okay, so we can write this as n is equals to plus or minus open bracket 2 to the power 3 to the power 1 over 2, like that. Okay, so this can be written as plus or minus the square root of 8, like that, because 2 to the power 3 is 8. Okay, but I know again that I can write the square root of 8 as 2 times 4. 2 times 4 there, like that. Okay, and what's the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is a 2, so meaning n is equals to plus or minus 2 root 2, like that. Okay, so what you're looking for is the least possible value. So the least possible value is that from these two values that you have here, one of them is positive, the other one is negative. You pick the negative one because that's the least one. Then we want to find what n to the power 3 is. So say n to the power 3 is equals to the least one, which is minus 2 root 2, we raise it to the power 3. What is this going to give us? We have minus 16 root 2, like that, and this is going to be our least possible value of n to the power 3 expressed in simplest radical form. And that's basically how you answer this question.